Here doing a walkthrough video of Unit A3 at Berkshire Commons, 120 Mooseclub Drive, Unit A3, which is located just off South Millage, close to the 5 Points area in Athens, Georgia. We're standing just outside the door. It's a second level unit, giving you a little peek through to some of the parking on the rear of the building. As we look back towards the front, what you cannot see from this vantage is it's just off South Millage Avenue, parking in the rear off Davis Street as well. This is a 2-bedroom condo. We do these walkthroughs to give clients that are out of town a good idea of what a property looks like. If you're interested in Athens area real estate, be sure to click subscribe. You'll be notified when we have a new property listing and or any additional information on Athens area real estate. Now, as we come inside, you've got a large living area. And this particular unit has got numerous upgrades that were done recently to paint and flooring. So you've got a split plan, which is rare in Athens for a 2-bedroom condo. What I mean is the bedrooms are on opposite sides of the unit. This complex was built in 2005. Small complex located just off South Millage Avenue, Berkshire Commons, 2-bedroom, 2-bath units. And we're going to give you an idea of where we just came in. As you can see, there's the front door, carpeted den area, storage closet right there to the left of the door. These units have 2 porches, which is a nice feature. It's overlooking a complex right behind. Outdoor storage, access to one of the bedrooms. You can also see the carpet has been recently installed, it looks like. Bedroom number 1, which is going to function like the owner's suite because it has private access to the bath. It's on the rear side. Closet slightly larger. But you can see here you've got that to the right, out to the porch. Walk-in closet. Private access bath. Finishes in the bathroom are standard. Travertine tile, insert tub. And as we come back through, we'll give you an idea of what's set up to be a dining area. See the transition of the floor. Large bright window, and of course, an entrance to the second porch. Let the light adjust. So give you a good look at the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances would be an upgrade. Lots of cabinet space. Give you a look here at the washer and dryer that do remain. As we come into the second bedroom, know that there is an extra entrance off the common area that you can enter the bath. You have guests, and it can be closed off for privacy from the secondary. There's the entrance to the other porch. A little bit of extra space in this bedroom in this little nook. They've used shelving. Note you've got another entrance into that bath, and then another large closet. 120 Mooseclub Drive, Unit A3, hitting the market in May 2024. If you're interested in anything Athens area real estate videos on our new listings, be sure to click subscribe or check this out at 5mrealty.com.